Calculating the exact amount of wind energy that can be produced per day on Earth and how many days it can power the world is a complex task that depends on various factors such as wind patterns, turbine efficiency, energy demand, and more. However, I can provide you with a simplified illustration based on rough estimates. Global wind energy potential. The global potential for wind energy depends on the wind resources available in different regions. Wind energy production is typically measured in gigawatt-hours, GWH, or terawatt-hours, TWH, per year. Average wind energy production. On average, a modern wind turbine with a capacity of around 2 to 3 megawatts, MW, can produce around 5 to 7 million kilowatt-hours, kWh, of electricity per year under optimal conditions. This is equivalent to 5 to 7 gigawatt-hours per year. Global energy consumption. Global energy consumption is approximately 160,000 terawatt-hours per year. Based on these approximations, we can calculate total global wind energy potential equals average wind energy production per turbine number of wind turbines. Number of wind turbines equals global energy consumption, average wind energy production per turbine. Days of wind energy equals total global wind energy potential, global energy consumption. Keep in mind that this is a very simplified calculation and doesn't take into account factors like wind variability, land availability, energy storage, transmission losses, and technological advancements. However, to give you an idea, if we consider a highly optimistic scenario with perfect wind conditions everywhere and using 7 gigawatt-hours per year per turbine, the simplified calculation would be number of wind turbines equals 160 million TWH, 0.007 TWH per turbine equals 22,857,143,000 turbines. Days of wind energy equals 22,857,143,000 turbines 7 gigawatt-hours, 160 million TWH equals 1,000 days. This is a purely theoretical and simplified calculation that doesn't take into account practical limitations, such as the amount of available land, wind turbine distribution, energy storage requirements, and so on. In reality, the energy transition to wind power involves complex considerations and should be done in a sustainable and balanced manner, taking into account various technological, environmental, and economic factors. Subscribe to Basics In and like my video. Share this video with your friends and family.